there everyone, and welcome back to Real Living, and welcome if you're new. Today's video is a little bit different. I don't normally post in the middle of the week. I usually wait until Saturday, but I am going to try something a little different. So we got a new grill, so come along with me as we put it together, and there's also a bonus recipe. So let's get started.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing.
And we did have a grill in the past, but it has just fallen apart and we haven't been able to use it. We did convert it into a charcoal grill, but charcoal can only not only get expensive, but it does take quite a bit to get the charcoal ready to cook on. And there's a lot of times where we don't have that extra time at night to wait for it to get ready and cook on it. So I went ahead and decided to buy Joe a new grill. And right at the end of summer, it ended up being kind of bad timing, but good timing as well, because we do live in Florida. So grilling weather is usually pretty much year round. And as long as it's not overly cold outside, we will still grill during the winter time as well. But even if it is cold, if we want grilled food, it's Florida. It's not going to snow, so we're going to get out there and we're going to take care of it. But this is just us putting it all together. The instructions were pretty easy, other than a little confusing on the labeling of the parts. There was no labels on the parts themselves, but in the instructions they were labeled. So we kind of had to figure that out. But overall, it was relatively simple.
Waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love. Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low-key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
I'll be honest, when we purchase larger items such as this grill, or in the previously when we purchased our fireplace that's in the house and things like that, I never pay for the expert installation or for them to assemble it. I get the satisfaction of doing that myself. Sometimes the instructions can be a little difficult to deal with and figure out, but overall, I love putting things together. I love how you can go from 100 different pieces to one really cool looking thing. So, yeah, one of the things every time we buy something that is required to be assembled, we definitely take satisfaction in doing that ourselves. I come from a carpenter family. They've always built things, always did things with their hands. So when I want to get something like a desk or the fireplace or even this grill, I get the satisfaction of putting it together myself.
I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you,
Now, a little bonus recipe, since we got the grill together in a decent time and everything, we decided to run to the store and splurge a little bit and get some steaks. Joe is the steak person in our house. He is the one that loves the grill the most. I can use it, I know how to, but he is kind of more of a master at it than I am. So I prefer when he does it, especially his steaks. He will leave them on for probably about 5 to 7 minutes and then turn them so that you can get those beautiful crosshatch marks on the sides of the steak. And then once he flips them, he does the same thing. He'll leave it sitting for a little while, and then he will turn the steak to get those beautiful crosshatches. I just ended up serving it with mashed potatoes and gravy and a couple of different vegetables. It's kind of versatile. You can pretty much put anything with it. But Trustin, our son, really, really loves mashed potatoes. And Cheyenne, our daughter, loves mashed potatoes and gravy. So that was definitely a no-brainer on that one. But, yeah, I will list everything in the description below. I will do my best to kind of give you a step-by-step on how Joe cooks his steak. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the breaking up of the videos and putting maybe a little small one during the week instead of waiting until Saturday. So, yeah, drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Otherwise, we are going to see you on our normal scheduled Saturday. So again, thank you so much for watching.